So guys, we think we found out what our issue was. We think that the cam gear was, well, the pin was put into this top hole right there instead of this one that's in between those two. You see the pin right there, because it was stuck when we tried to take it off, and it sticks when you stick it in this top one but not this middle one. Got everything back together. We started it up, and look,
no
our waveforms. Our waveforms now match up.
Oh, sorry.
Just like the known good. Thing is running really smooth. I know. This is smoother than when you bought it. Real smooth. We got most of it back together. Waiting for some JB weld to dry right here because that nipple had broke off, so I made him one.
I'm not gonna bother posting about it because we'll just get another one.
Capture from the Subaru, and you can see the cam sensors now line up perfectly like they were supposed to. All because you can put that cam gear 36 degrees off. And you can see that they line up with the sync notch like they're supposed to, where one cam will line up with the single notch, and then a double, and then a single, and then the other one lines up with a double, a single, a double. So, I guess I'll post this up, and then once we get it running, I'll post the final like relative compression test and pulse sensor waveform so people have it for future reference. But see you guys later.